I took it steady the previous one. Went to the
Oh, it's a kicker there. Me too. I'm down here. Everywhere. Oh fuck. That's it. Big that trail. I love that. Fucking top. Vad kul de är ändå. There's a little kicker off, isn't it? BMX bandits! That was nice. I felt better that time.
Yeah, much.
Oh, go. Yeah. There's a little knot left, hold on.
nice.
Oh, fucking hell. Go on, Nate. Stay right on this next one.
Good fun, huh?
Yeah, it's good. Ah. Whoa, sideways over that. Oh. This thing.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
What do you reckon?
That is horrible.
Yeah. I didn't fancy it blind.
No, fuck that. It's just this vert.
Oh, fucking hell. Go on, Derry.
Nuts of steel. All that speed. Oh, it's a bit of a wet. It's moist. What's that looking like? Fucking hell, that's tasty, isn't it? Oh, we're on it now, aren't we? Guess we're on it. Oh, he's got it. He's good at that. Fucking hell, massive rock just slammed into the frame. Oh, nicely done. All of them, man. Okay. That's a bit nice there. It was this one, I think. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Didn't like it that way. Enjoy that? Oh, there's a jump there. Sorry about that. Little tab in. Slipping everywhere, boys. A little steepy. Oh, here we are. Here we go, lads. Fuck it, we're in. Go on, Ted. Go on, Ted, but you're in.
Fuck, it's all over the place now.
I'm happy they didn't take any food, so I don't really like all this food.
It's a cliff edge. Fucking hell, yeah. Should have allowed. Oh, wash! Front wheel. Oh, fuck me.
Quite compression at the bottom of that here.